if you're looking for a remote job, please watch this video because I'm going to share 3 websites where you can make up to $400 per study or per task. And a good number of you watch my videos without leaving a comment, liking, or even sharing. And so many of you are not subscribed to the channel. Please kindly subscribe to the channel. So the first one on our list today is Perfection. Perfection is a user testing company. They specialize in US research, that's usability research, helping you understand the expectations and behaviors of your users on your website, your application, remotely or in person. They help you convert your customer needs into actionable improvements and position impact for your business. So if you want to do this and you're looking for a remote job, something you can do from home, you may want to sign up for this one. So Perfection focus on individual interviews, the focus group, quantitative surveys, and remote user tests. So their user interview consists of 6 to 8 individuals, and you will come together to carry out this particular test. It says locally or in your key markets. Interview duration 45 minutes. 1 user and 1 professional facilitator by phone, video, or face-to-face. So this is what they do. You're supposed to identify possible improvement on a mock-up, a prototype, or a live version for mobile or desktop. So what you need for this one is a mobile phone, your laptop, and an internet connection. They also offer focus group where 6 to 10 users come together for like a session of 2 hours duration with a moderator or a professional in a room with all users, most often with one-way glass, and sometimes it can also be done online. I mean, it's done online, but sometimes it can be done face-to-face if all the people live in the same location. They also do research methodology, about 400 respondents, representative of the target population. They also offer quantitative surveys where 400 respondents, representative of the target population in a given country, adaptable to your so this one, they send out surveys to people and they complete it. And they also offer remote user testing, 10 to 30 users according to your target. So these are what they specialize in, and you can be called upon to carry out one of these. So it's important that you have a phone and a mobile phone. It's important that you have a mobile phone, a computer. Make sure you have a very strong internet connection before you sign up for this one. So once you're ready, after going through this website and you're ready to go ahead, click on become a tester, and it brings you to this page, join Triable today. So once you become a paid tester, you start earning as soon as possible, as soon as you complete any study. So it's simple. You register. As soon as the study matches your profile, they'll send you an email to ask you to participate. So it is important that you enable email notifications so that you will get emails whenever they send it out. Every month you receive your payment via PayPal or gift card. The reward associated with a successful mission depends on its complexity. So sometimes you may be paid $10, $15, up to $20 per study. So if you want to work online, just click on register and go ahead and sign up for this one. Another one that I love so much is user testing. This one is called IntelliZoom Panel, but they have changed to user testing. The reason I love it so much is the amount of time or the number of time they email me per day asking me to complete surveys, and all their surveys pay from $1 upwards. I have never seen any survey they pay less than $1, and the payment comes in between 7 to 14 days after you complete a survey. It comes in, so there's nothing difficult here. Once you just click on the link that I will leave in the description box, it will bring you to the sign up page. You just sign up with your email address and complete your profile. This profile is very important. It has to be 100%. So it's going to be about you, your financial, health and fitness, hobbies and interests, household, occupation, technology, travel. This will enable them to give you surveys that match your profile. If you don't complete those, you will not be getting surveys. When the survey comes in like this, you'll be shown the type of device to use. So this one says Share your feedback anytime, anywhere by filling in a questionnaire. Any device not recorded confidentially, so they don't require any particular device, but sometimes they may say use your computer for this one or use a mobile phone for this one. So this one is any device. You can complete it on your phone or computer. So once you complete it and the survey is approved, I'm just trying to fill in this one to show you guys. So unfortunately, I didn't match this one. You didn't qualify for this test because I'm also busy recording this video. Okay. So you need to read the question very well before you proceed. Sometimes you will not be matched with the question, and sometimes they would have gotten the number of people they want for that particular study. That is why whenever they send out an email, make sure you take off immediately and complete it. Once you wait for a little while, they would say they have found the complete number of people they want for that particular study, and you will miss out. So I always like to cash in immediately. I just want to log into my PayPal to show you guys again how the payment comes in. So this is their payment: $1, $1 IntelliZoom panel, now user testing company. This is how the payment comes in: $1. So it comes in like that. It doesn't matter how many times you complete a survey. So that's one. There's another one that I've received. I've received so many in the past, but they've gone down. Okay, this is one, but this is how it comes in. Each time you complete, it comes in. I have 2 or 3 that I'm still waiting for them to come in. Probably by next week they will come in, but it's better than nothing. $1 per study. So imagine if you're in some other countries and you convert the dollar into your currency, you would see how much that you have made. You see how much that you have made from after the conversion rate. So that is why I love this one, $1 per study. So make sure you complete your profile. And let's proceed to the one that I love so much, user interviews. So once you come to the page, user interviews, I'll leave the link in the description box. And you're going to click on sign up to participate and get paid, or you click on sign up. And then it brings you to this page where you're going to sign in with your email address, your phone number, and password. Make sure your phone number is complete. Make sure your phone number is correct. If not, you will not be able to get the confirmation text and the account will not be set up. So make sure you put a correct phone number that you have access to. And once that is done, you can also sign up with your LinkedIn account or your Facebook. And once that is done, you click on sign up with email or whatever you choose to sign up with. And it takes you complete they will send you an email confirmation, and you click on the link on the email to confirm the account, and that's it. So they partner with companies like Pinterest, Spotify, Adobe, Wayfair, and many more. This particular one pays really well. They gather people, researchers from different demographics to, to answer questions, review products and services. So when you sign up, I'll leave the link also in the description box below. When you sign up, make sure you complete these details. They are very important. If you want to be able to get surveys, make sure you complete these details: your demographics, professional details, product and service details, and technical details. Finish your profile. Then when you finish your profile, you can now begin to see interviews, or you begin to see studies or research too. So this is how the referral program works. You're going to give $30 and get $30. So you're going to earn a referral bonus with these studies. If you know someone who may be a great fit, simply click and copy the link. So for instance, if you find a job that or a study that pays really well and you want someone to do it, someone that you know that can do it, that qualifies for that particular study, you can just copy the link, and not your main account referral link. You just copy this particular job and share it with people on your statuses, on your social media platform, and they would sign up for that particular one. So you're going to create an ad for a position, and someone signs up and completes that job, that study, and you're going to get paid $30, which is in gift card, and the person also will get a bonus of $30. So that is how the referral program works. But if you also refer someone to sign up, not to complete a particular study, just to sign up, when the person now later starts completing studies, you get paid $10. So you usually see the incentive and the amount before applying to a study. The incentive will be paid out within 10 business days, usually much sooner, once you've successfully participated in and completed your session. If you have any question, you can visit their contact page and find out more for yourself. So the form of payment for the referral bonus is a digital Amazon gift card. At this time, they are not able to offer alternative forms of payment. So if you refer someone to the page, you're going to earn $10 for every participant you refer. When they sign up and complete their first study, they earn $10 too. So this one is really important that you understand it. Once you refer anyone, you get paid $10, and the person will also earn $10 when they complete a study. So guys, this one is really good. If you're interested, just go sign up ASAP. Do not waste time. Don't even sleep on this one, because there are so many available tasks on a user interview for you to complete today and get paid. That is why I talk about this remote job. This one can pay you really well if you know what you're doing and you put all your interest in this one. You would make a lot of money. So I'll leave the link also in the description box, and I will also share this direct one to you guys. If you're interested, just hit the sign up button, sign up and start getting paid. And I think that will do it for us for this one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, by the way. Like the video, leave a comment and share the video to other people, and I'll see you in the next one.